In this video, I'll show you how to send view once photos and videos on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. If you love to send to your friends, your family, let me say a view once photo. What you need to do, I want to use my group for an example. So I'm going to open my group. So let me say I want to send a video or just what you need to do, you need to click on that photos to select what you need to send. So I think I'm going to be using one of my photos. So I'm going to just open it. Okay, I'm going to click on, let me say I want to send, let me say this video. I'll just hold on it. Right now you can see there's a one option here. So if you click on this one, it's going to be sending in the view once. So you can do this as well for photos and videos. So once you send it now, you can see this is going to be able to send in a view once, right? So I'm going to wait for it to just load up gradually. So once this has sent, like once this has loaded up successfully, you can see this is a view once photo here on WhatsApp. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.